HIRE Act stands for the Hiring Incentive to Restore Employment Act. Congress passed the act to create an incentive for employers to hire workers who have been unemployed. It provides a tax credit. Normally, employers have to pay a 6.2% Social Security tax for all employees. What the HIRE Act does is provide an exemption for all employers for qualified employees through the end of this year. So what does it mean to be qualified? To be qualified, an employee has to only have worked 40 hours in the 60 days before being hired. An employer is not allowed to replace an existing employee and receive the tax exemption. There's really only two exceptions to this. The first is if the previous employee voluntarily resigned, and the second is if the employer fired the previous employee for cause. In addition, a business owner's family member is not eligible for the HIRE exemption. To claim a HIRE exemption, an employer has to do two things. The first is that an employee has to fill out an affidavit that states that they meet all of the qualifications. And then to actually claim the tax exemption, an employer needs to file it in their quarterly payroll tax return. I know it can get complicated. We can help with that.